Okay, my YouTube people, for $3,000 you can have my 1985 Ironhead Sportster. It definitely runs great, as you'll see in the cold start video. I'm about 15 minutes south of Philadelphia if you want to come pick it up. I believe this thing would make a trip across the country. If you want to fly here, pick it up and ride it home, you wouldn't have any problem with that. It's being sold as is. You're welcome to come ride it all you want, but you're going to put $3,000 cash in my hand before that happens. When we meet, it would be at my local police station, so you have no worries, and I wouldn't either. Don't forget to check out the rest of the videos on my channel, as I have videos with the work I did to this bike. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you that it's ice cold. And it's chilly out this morning, probably in the upper 50s. I'll turn the key to on. I'm going to pull the choke. It starts that good, that fast, every time. Okay, so what's been done to this bike? You can obviously get on my YouTube channel and see some of the things that I did do, follow along. So I put a fully rebuilt CV carb on it, clean air filter. This carb was on my shovel head, my early shovel head, and I had to shave the choke lever so that I could get it past the gas tank. But other than that, it's in excellent condition. A full rebuild on the brake system, front and back. On the rear, I rebuilt the master cylinder, flushed the line, and rebuilt the caliper. The same with the front. That's an aftermarket master cylinder. I rebuilt it, flushed the line, rebuilt the caliper. Also changed the horn on it, changed the oil and filter. The tires are in excellent condition, front and back. Of course, I waxed it. It's got a brand new battery. I changed the spark plugs. I fixed some wiring issues that it had going on. It has progressive shocks on it that are a little bit lower. You can see the aftermarket seat. Nice sissy bar. Rear tire, excellent tread on the tire. You can see it's got a lot of chrome. Chrome swing arm, chrome chain guard, chrome oil tank. I also changed the handlebars on this bike. Had a set of like beach bars or something, and they're like a 12-inch rise on these bars. All the lights and the turn signals work. Same within the rear. Rear lights on. Brake light works. The rear turn signal. The rear turn signal on the other side. Nice chrome cover over the cam. And where the sprocket cover is chrome. I do have a vent filter coming for that vent. Paint on the jugs looks good. Rocker boxes, they're a little bit rough. They're chrome, but some of the chrome is peeling on those. Nice chrome battery cover. Again, you can see the peeling here. The paint on it is decent. It is a metallic blue paint in low light. It's a little bit darker, but also has a chrome cover over the headlight. The mileage on it says 11,080 miles, but I believe that's an aftermarket speedometer, odometer, so they're not right. As you saw, it starts excellent and runs excellent. Also, you can see on there the spokes are not the greatest in the front, and the rear is pretty much the same way. Rim has a little bit of pitting on it. It's not perfect either in the rear, but also a chrome sprocket in the rear. Paint's a little bit missing there, a little bit. I have flop over saddlebags for it. I have a rack in the back and then a soft luggage bag that goes on it. But those things are just okay. They will work. They were on it. Has a chrome primary cover. Rear foot pegs. Pretty good looking bike overall.